The Curious Kitten and the Lost Ball of Yarn. Once upon a time, in a cozy little house at the edge of the forest, there lived a playful and curious kitten named Whiskers. Whiskers had soft, fluffy fur, big bright eyes, and a twitchy tail that always seemed to be in motion. He loved exploring every nook and cranny of the house, pouncing on imaginary mice and chasing anything that moved. One sunny afternoon, as Whiskers was prowling around the living room, he spotted something that made his whiskers tingle with excitement. It was a shiny red ball of yarn, sitting perfectly still on the floor. Whiskers' eyes lit up with delight. He crept toward it, his body low to the ground, ready to pounce. With a sudden leap, he landed on the ball of yarn, and it went rolling across the floor. Whiskers chased the ball all around the room, batting it with his paws and sending it spinning in every direction. He was having the time of his life. But in his excitement, he accidentally knocked the ball of yarn under the couch. Whiskers tried to reach it with his paw, but it was too far underneath. The ball of yarn was lost. Determined to find his favorite toy, Whiskers decided to search the entire house. He looked under the chairs, behind the curtains, and even in the kitchen cupboards. But no matter where he searched, the ball of yarn was nowhere to be found. Feeling a little sad, Whiskers decided to take a break and curled up on the soft rug in the living room. Just as he was about to drift off to sleep, he heard a faint sound, a soft rolling noise coming from the hallway. Whiskers perked up his ears and opened his eyes wide. Could it be? He jumped up and ran toward the hallway. There at the end of the hall was the red ball of yarn. It had somehow rolled out from under the couch and found its way back to him. Whiskers pounced on the ball, and it rolled away again, leading him on another playful chase. This time, Whiskers was careful not to lose it. He played and played until he was too tired to chase it anymore. Finally, he picked up the ball of yarn in his mouth and carried it to his favorite spot by the window. With a contented purr, he curled up around the ball and fell fast asleep, dreaming of all the adventures he would have tomorrow. And so, the curious kitten learned that even when something seems lost, it can always be found again with a little patience and a lot of curiosity.